Hello and welcome back to Viralstyle Academy. Again, I'm your host, Luke Stofsy, walking you through how to sell t-shirts online through Viralstyle. And picking up here is a second part in how to launch an ad on Facebook through Power Editor. In the first one, we walked through how to launch a page post engagement ad. Now I'm going to walk you through how to launch a website conversion ad. A little bit different, but not much, but I just want to walk you through it so that you know exactly what to do. So get back in here to Power Editor and then click Create Campaign. And then again, we'll just call it something like German Shepherd T website conversion. Okay, so this is going to allow us to differentiate this campaign versus the other one we had created, which was for the page post engagement. And we're going to change our objective here to website conversion. And then we can just call this 01 and 01 for the sake of brevity and hit create. And then click on it right here. It's going to jump us in here to the ad set level. Okay, so now we need to tie in with a pixel event. So there's lots of different ways that you can do pixels here. I'm not going to cover it in this video. I'm just going to select one. You're going to have to refer to the other video regarding the new Facebook pixel and how to set that up and what to do and what to name it and how that information ties in together. I'm not going to touch on that here, but you'd select your pixel. With a website conversion, you have to optimize it for a conversion. Okay, so you see this right here, we optimize to get the most of these conversions at the lowest cost, but it will not let you move forward without putting in a conversion event. So that's where you would plug that in. Okay, for your budget and schedule, again, we would do something like $10 or $15. It's kind of whatever you're comfortable spending on that first day and how many different ad sets you have broken up. But 10 or 15 is really the tried and tested numbers to start at in order to get your ad running. Okay, then you would come down here into your targeting area. And again, just for the sake of brevity, I'm not going to be teaching on specifics of how to target and the best strategies and methodologies here. It's a very complicated thing you have to learn. So that will be touched on in more detail, and you can find lots and lots of resources online and learning the best practice and how to do that. All right, now with the website conversion ad, you actually now are seeing 5 different types of placement options rather than 4 that we saw with the page post engagement. So we're going to want to just select the same ones we had before and turn the others off. So turn off Instagram, turn off Audience Network. That's the 5th one that just showed up, which we don't need. And then turn off the right column. So all we have is the desktop newsfeed and mobile newsfeed again. Okay. So now down here in optimizing and pricing, this is going to optimize for conversions because that is what we had set as our objective. And you can do automatic or manual. So again, when you're getting started, leave it on automatic. Down here in manual, you can adjust and you can place your own bids, and that's their strategy behind that. But here, just leave it on automatic and let Facebook determine this for you. Then when we click in here to the ad level, now we have to build our ad again. So again, we would choose our fan page that we want to run through and then select here, create ad. Now that's going to give you 2 options. One is going to be like what you're seeing first pop up here is where you're going to offer multiple offers in one ad. So this is something that you can do, but I'm not going to show you how to do it in this video because currently, as of the time of making these videos, a single image, which is this other one, is working better. So I'm just going to be teaching you what works best. That would be the goal here. You click add with an image or video and then select image, and we're going to go in here, click upload, and then this guy right here. And we're going to grab this website conversion ad that we chose and that we built already in Photoshop that's formatted in that rectangle shape, and you hit confirm. And you see as this loads in here, why we had to do the rectangle shape, it's because this is the size and shape that is desired by Facebook. It's what they've designed it to be for this website conversion ad. Then here in the URL, you need to plug in our URL from our campaign. So we would go back over to our campaign to get that. So we are going to go and grab our URL here, copy it, and just paste it in. Okay. So now this is causing this ad to have a direct driving URL, and you can change the text for the ad down here. So again, we're going to kind of play around with the same kind of text that we did before. So the headline is this part right here. It's a German Shepherd t-shirt. So honestly, what that's doing is it's pulling from our campaign on Viralstyle and filling it in. So I would make this a little bit shorter and change it to just German Shepherd t-shirt. Okay, so this title you're giving it is just, you're basically, again, calling out the name of the niche. So this could be a nurse t-shirt, engineer t-shirt, or if you have like a specific design where it makes sense to give a little more detail on the title of the shirt, you can plug all that kind of thing in here. And then in the text, this is where you would plug in your line 1 options. Okay, so just something like perfect for niche, and you plug that in here. And that's just going to put it right up here at the top. So again, I am a big advocate of short and punchy lines. Too much text, it just makes it too busy. So you are, again, just the goal here is to call out the niche. You're screaming out to them, hey, if you like German Shepherds, look at this thing, okay? Because you're going to really get their attention a whole bunch of times here. And then the other thing you're going to grab is the line 3, something like this. You would take that and plug this in the newsfeed link description down here. Okay, so that is going to show up down underneath. So the way the website conversion ad lays out is going to be a little different than that PPE ad, but this is it right here. Perfect for German Shepherd owners, German Shepherd t-shirt, share with friends. You got a real simple ad here, and that with a white background that's going to stand out. Also, you're going to want to use this call to action button here and go to shop now, and it's going to put a little button right here that kind of stands out so that people know that they can click this to view this for sale. Okay, and then again, tracking URL, this is more complicated. The different conversion pixel stuff is a little more complicated stuff. We're not going to get into detail here in this video, but just like that, now you've got a website conversion ad that's good to go. You can click over here on the mobile, and it's going to preview for you what this would look like on a mobile device. So you can see that this shows up quite a bit smaller on mobile. That's why we crop in close to the shirt so that you can see all of the detail. And then you just click review changes and hit continue, and then it's going to go ahead and upload it, and your ad is going to be live and ready to go. Okay, so then you would be able to go back in here into manage ads, and you're gonna click on your account, and it's going to show you the ad. There's it is, the one we just created, just like that. And that's the one, the PPE one, the page post engagement one we did before. So there you go. That's how you create ads in Power Editor when you're using Power Editor to launch the ads. So in the next video here, I'm going to show you one last thing of how you can do one other type of ad with a page post engagement and how to get it in Power Editor and change your targeting. So I will see you there.